we'll do one thing. We'll define velocities here. What is VA bar? VA bar will be 3 cos 30 I cap minus 3 sin 30 J cap. So this should be equal to cos 30 root 3 by 2, 3 root 3 by 2 I cap. This will be 3 by 2 J cap. First you define those velocities. Next VB bar 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2 cos 45 I cap plus sin 45 it is. So this is equal to 4 root 2 J cap. So this will be minus 4 I cap plus 4 J cap. Okay, let me find out VAB bar. VAB bar means VA bar minus VB bar. Directly I'll substitute 3 root 3 by 2 subtraction. So minus of minus, this will be plus 4 I cap. Is it okay? I'm writing directly this step. Similarly, minus 3 minus 4. So minus 3 by 2 minus 4 J cap. Root 3 1.7. Some approximation will do. Root 3 1.7, 1.7 into 3 5.1, 5.1.
Sir, it is plus of minus 3 by 4 minus 4.
VA bar, no, minus 3 by 2 minus of minus 4, no. The year plus. Okay, I'll do one thing. Correct? No, it will be. Okay, I'll do one thing. Next one more step, I'll write it. 3 root 3 by 2 plus 4 I cap plus 3 by 2 plus 4 J cap.
Sir, both should be negative, sir. Minus 3 by 2 J cap minus 4.
Minus 3 by 2 VA bar minus VB bar, no? It is.
Yes, sir. VA bar minus VB bar. The minus sign is inside the bracket. Minus 3 by 2 minus 4 J cap. So you don't have to keep a minus in front of the bracket too.
Yes.
Okay, this one. This
Plus of minus.
plus of minus. So here it will be negative, huh? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now anybody value left hand side bracket? This one 3 root 3.
2.6, sir.
6.5 I cap, sir, total.
6.6, sir. 6.6 I cap.
6.6 I cap. Okay, fine, yeah. 6.6 I cap minus
5.5 J cap.
5.5 J cap. Okay, now what is use of this is what very important here. So like this, if A will be moving in which plane? A will be moving in fourth quadrant. What happens? B is moving in second quadrant. VAB in what direction it will move? Again, it will move in fourth quadrant only. But when A moves with a velocity VAB, the B will appear at rest. So this is, let me write, this is VAB X component. This will help us a lot. VAB Y component. Let's come for the basic triangle there. In the triangle, what we have to do is like there's a thing. First, I think we have to draw a velocity triangle. No, I said. Then afterwards, you have to draw the displacement triangle. So here, this is separation. So from the first we'll draw velocity triangles, then only. Oh. Come for this. So how the velocity triangle will be? VAB bar, no? So here this is the VA bar. VB bar is somewhere in this direction. So this was making angle 30 degrees. So this was making angle 45 degrees. This is what? VB bar. VA bar. Minus VA minus VB bar. It is making less angle, more angle. My eraser is not working, responding properly. Okay, let's come for this one. This is the horizontal line. I'll draw it. This is VB. This VA bar. Minus VB bar, how it should come? Minus VB bar should be opposite to this one, no? I'm drawing with yellow color line, just do make observation. Okay, this. So now VB bar, VA bar, minus VB bar is needed. So how the resultant vector should be? So the resultant vector will come like this. Minus VB bar, you bring it here. So the resultant vector VA bar minus VB bar. Oh. The resultant vector. What is this? This will be VAB bar. So this angle is what we needed. Angle with vertical or horizontal. So there's a velocity triangle. I directly take help of one more here. VAX, VAB, X and Y component are there. We'll draw one more triangle. So this will be VAX and this will be VABX it is. So here what happened? I'll get VAB, no? The velocity triangle. This was another triangle. Directly, I brought one more triangle. So here, I think this triangle, tell me like, in which triangle you can work out things very easily. Right angle triangle, you can write relationship very easily. So I want this theta. What was our question? That minimum distance is needed, no? Okay, there's a velocity triangle. The displacement triangle is what we have to bring. So tell me for that what I should do. I should go take help of this particular basic diagram again. I'll take help of this basic diagram. B will be attached as A moves. So somewhere here, the minimum distance will come here. Shall I scroll down? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see it.
It's not responding. I don't know. Yeah. Scrolling is not responding. It's not scrolling down. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll close it. All of you, you can adjust the name and section. Okay, come for this. All of you, just finish off that name and section. You write your name and the section. So that'll be sufficient. So because like your parents only will ask sometimes like how many classes attended. So it'll be accountability is very important. Even my attendance also will be there in the Zoom. So let's follow some basic rules. Nothing wrong. Okay, now come for this. We have to draw a displacement triangle. No? So what is the displacement triangle? It will be. So here this is A. B, I'll keep it fixed here. And this is what? The A1. So how A will move? A will move in this direction. And this is the distance, separation between them initially. And here is what? The B. What is the state of B? B will be at rest. Now what is this arrow I'm showing that one? This is VAB. Is there any minimum distance possible? Yes, it is. No. Here is what that minimum distance. I think our problem solved. So this was a theta. So I'll define
Sir,
theta.
D is 10 meters, right?
Let it be, ma. What is the problem with that?
Okay, sir. No, it was looking something else.
No, the D is 10 only. 10 only it is. So let me define. This is theta. Calculations will be easier. So once again, and say I'm bringing back to the same method. No, what you have to do? Just bring that velocity triangle, displacement triangle. Here working very difficult. In books they have shown working with this cosine rule, sine rule, lot of mathematics. Take help of unit vectors. Construct velocity triangle. There's a velocity triangle which is needed. And you have here displacement triangle. Tell me like, can you find out first theta from here looking at that? Theta. First for that we need VAB value. Come back to mathematics here. VAB what you can write it as 6.6 whole square plus 5.5 whole square. We'll get VAB. Then sine theta. Sine theta, cos theta values are needed. So what are sine theta? Sine theta looking at that. VAB x by VAB. What about cos theta? VAB y by VAB. Here will not be VA or VB. Earlier problem was different, the condition here. Okay, now what is the minimum distance? What is the minimum distance now? Sine theta equal to S minimum by D. So S minimum equal to D sine theta. So VABX by VAB. What is the time taken to reach here? So T equals 0, the particle A with a velocity VAB will be here. After some time, it will be here. This time is needed. So what is the formula now? VAB is equal to AM by T. Do we know VAB? Yes. But we don't know AM. How to bring AM? Cos theta. So first, let me write that mathematics. Cos theta is equal to AM by D, no? AM is equal to D cos theta. Okay, let's come for the time calculation. VAB is equal to AM by T. cos theta will be VABY by EAB. So dVABY by can you solve later on this one? Just I brought the answers.
Yes, sir.
So what is all everything? Getting that triangle, no? Velocity triangle and the displacement triangle. Now let them move any direction, not like they should move perpendicular. Any arbitrary direction you can manage. If a body moves with a relative velocity, no, if A moves with a velocity VAB, then B will appear at rest, not like any relative velocity. The idea is only thing is like, instead of describing motion of both the objects, we are making the A to move with a velocity VAB, then B will appear at rest. And that's why I think I indicated here. That's the overall core idea. Fine. So the complete problem we discussed like this. Huh? Just if you at a complete problem, you can glance like this. So you take now any diagram, not like some specific like this only, any arbitrary you can manage here.